in which Swami Vivekananda himself had stayed as a guest of the then Diwan Madhika Jaspai, and many activities have been started. The value education programs, in one of these activities also part of that value education programs, the public library, charitable institute, charitable work, mobile medical unit, bookstall, meditation hall, so many discourses, all seminars being conducted, all these part of the activities, they have been started. So when Swami Vivekananda came to Baroda, he saw the gallery of Ravi Umar's paintings also. That is what he says in writes in letter. And from Baroda he went to Mahabaleshwar on to South India. At Trivandrum, he met Prince of Trivandrum, Martand Verma. And Martand Verma asked, Swamiji, you went to so many places, you met so many princes. So tell me the impression about the princes that you have seen. That time Swami Vivekananda told Prince Martand Verma of Trivandrum that of all the Maharajas I have seen in the whole country, he met so many Maharajas, Limli Maharaja, Bhuj Maharaja, Khetri Maharaja was his disciple, so many Maharajas he has met, Mysore Maharaja became his disciple, so many Maharajas he had met. But Swami Vivekananda says, of all the princes that I have met in the country, the one who impressed me most with his patriotism and with his dynamism was the Maharaja Sayajirao Gayakwad of Baroda. And that is why Dr. Mrunalini Pawar is special to us. Apart from that, she is also the Vice President of a Managing Committee. So that is why we extend a very hearty welcome to Dr. Mrunalini Pawar in this meeting. You might have also known about Sri Kantishan Shroff, great philanthropist, great industrialist. He was the chairman of Excel Industries Limited. There is a Shroff Foundation Trust doing wonderful work, and that work, he is the chairman of the Shroff Foundation Trust. And apart from that, he has been associated for more than 50 years with Ramakrishna Mission, various branches, Bombay, Rajkot, and now Baroda. He is the president of a managing committee also. So that is why we are very happy that Sri Kantishan Shroff has come all the way from Bhuj. Normally he stays in Bhuj doing his social service, social work. And so we also heartily welcome Kantishan Shroff to this meeting. Now on behalf of all of us, they all will be felicitated. So first of all, I will ask Swami Atmadipananji to offer a bouquet to Justice P.N. Bhagwati ji and also honor him by presenting a packet of books, very valuable books, and a photograph of Swami Vivekananda. Justice P.N. Bhagwati ji will be felicitated by Swami Atmadipananji. Swami Ved Saranand ji. Ms. Rajeshwari Trivedi will welcome. In large number, and more happy because you have kept up time. So you already learned the lesson of time management. You came in time, that is why we give you hearty congratulations. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. This is the message that you have to remember. You already achieved something, but don't stop here. You already got 85%, 90%. More percentage, 100% is the goal, but that is not the goal. 100% is not the goal. Why? Because that will give you only academic brilliance. That shows you have achieved IQ. But the modern psychologists say, if you really want to have long-term success, long-term happiness, long-term peace, And a fulfillment of life, you must have three: IQ, EQ, and SQ. Intelligence quotient, EQ, emotional quotient, emotional intelligence, and the third, SQ, spiritual intelligence. All the three are needed, and of course you must remember that there are so many other things to be achieved. One thing is academic brilliance, but that is not enough. Swami Vivekananda said, what we want is man-making education, character-building education. Why we have called you? We have called you, number one, for felicitating you, for honoring you, for the success that you have achieved. Secondly, why we have called you in advance is, we want to impress upon your minds that the education that you receive in the education institutions is not enough. Unfortunately, what Swami Vivekananda wanted was man-making education, character-building education. And sometimes, I jokingly say, most of the institutions are giving demon-making education, Rakshasa-making education. What is a Rakshasa? Rakshasa means not the two horns, with the two horns you see in the TV, you know. Not that Rakshasa, Ravan Kumbhakarna, no. Modern Rakshasa is coming in safari suit. Modern Rakshasa is coming in Banarasi sari with fashionable dress. What is this Rakshasa and Rakshasa? Not here. There is nobody here. Don't look here and there. Here good people have come. What is Rakshasa? Bhartari says in his book Niti Shatakam, there are 4 types of people in the society. What are the 4 types? Ete Satpurushaah Parartha Khatkaah Swarthan Parityajye Samanyastu Parartham Udyam Avrata Swartha Avirodhaniye Tepi Manush Rakshasaah Parahitam Swarthaya Nignantiye Ye Nignanti Virarthakam Parahitam Teke Na Jani Mahe. 4 types of people. Number 1, Satpurusha, excellent human beings. They try to do good to others at the cost of their own suffering. Number 2, Samana Manushya, ordinary human beings. First they try to do good to themselves and then they try to do good to others. Third, Manav Rakshasa. They are looking like human beings but they are Rakshasa in human form. What do? For their small self-interest, they can do any amount of harm to others. Example, plenty. An executive engineer, he takes 10 lakhs of rupees from under the table, not from the below table. He takes the bribe of 10 lakhs rupees and tells the builder, you can mix any amount of sand in the cement. While constructing, a government check them, but you give me 10 lakhs of rupees. And then the builder, after giving 10 lakhs rupees to the government officer, to the engineer, he mixes only sand, very little of cement, and the check dam is constructed. Suddenly there is heavy rain. It may be coming within 2-3 days. We are expecting to give us relief from the heat. But it may come, and when the heavy rain comes, the check dam gets burst. Why? Only sand, very little cement, and then thousands of people become homeless, hundreds of people die, crores of rupees of loss to the nation. But that engineer says, doesn't matter. My house has been built by 10 lakh rupees. Desh jai bhaad mein, samaj jai bhaad mein. They are Manav Rakshasa. And Bhartari says there are 4 types of people also. But Teke na jani mahe, I can't give the name because they are worse than Manav Rakshasa. The 3rd type, for their small self-interest, they can do any amount of harm to others. The 4th type, they do not get, even if they do not get any benefit, they enjoy others' downfall. They enjoy others' harm. Somebody's house is burning, ask क्या मजा आ गया? अरे भाई तुमको कुछ फायदा हुआ नहीं, उसका मकान जल गया, बहुत मजा आ गया. कोई परीक्षा में फेल हो गया, क्या मजा आ गया? अरे तुमको परीक्षा में भी नंबर ज्यादा मिला, नहीं पर वो फेल हो गया, वो बहुत मजा आ गया. This is the 4th type of people who enjoy others' downfall without getting any amount of benefit to themselves. These are the 4 types of people about whom Bhartari says in his book Niti Shatakam. And now I have made a latest research. There is a 5th type of people also, but they were not available during Bhartari's time. Now I can't give the name, take na jani main. 5th type of people, they are worse than even the 4th. 4th type of people, they don't derive any benefit, but they enjoy others' downfall and others' harm. But the 5th type of people, they enjoy others' downfall so much and others' harm so much, by harming themselves, they do harm to others. So what do? they sit down in an aeroplane and strike in the world tower. I am killed, doesn't matter, but I have killed 5,000 people. 5,000 लोगों को मार डाला, क्या मजा आ गया? है कि नहीं पांचवें टाइप के? This is the fifth type. By harming themselves, और वो स्टोरी तो सुनी होगी, मेरी एक आंख भले फूट जाए, पड़ोसी की दोनों आंखें फूट जाए, और कुएं में पड़ के गिर के मर जाए, क्या मजा आ गया? भले मेरी आंख गई, पड़ोसी तो मर गया ना कुएं में डूब के. So they try to do harm to others by harming themselves. They enjoy so much others' harm. This is the fifth type. In our society today, Manav Rakshas are there, corrupt people are there, corrupt officers are there, corrupt doctors, corrupt engineers, chartered accountants. In every field you get those corrupt Manav Rakshas. Fourth type is also there, fifth type is also there. Samanya Manushya, very less. And Satpurusha, you have to see with the microscope. That is why Swami Vivekananda said what we want is man-making education, character-building education. Now we have called you here. One of the most important objectives of holding a program like this, Felicitation of Brilliant Student, is to tell you you are brilliant students, so you should be congratulated. Second, you should be told that this brilliance is not enough. IQ is not enough. Academic brilliance is not enough. You have to go forward, forward and forward. You have to have total personality development. That is physical development of the personality, intellectual development of the personality, mental development of the personality, moral development of the personality, and spiritual development of the personality. When all the five gets, it's a total personality development. This is what we want. We want that you should start knowing. That is why we are going to give you lot of books, beautiful books of Swami Vivekananda on character building, on personality development. I hope you will read them. Will you read them? Or should I withdraw the books? Will you read them? Yes. Thank you. Of course, many of the students, when I tell them to read the books of Swami Vivekananda, they have a trump card, you know. They use the trump card. Swami ji, आपने बोला किताब पढ़ने के लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है, पर time कहाँ? So, anybody getting less than 24 hours, please raise your hand. Anybody getting less than 24 hours. In everybody's account in the morning, 86,400 seconds are deposited. Whatever time you utilize, yours, rest is gone. It cannot be carried forward. It's a very special time deposit. 86,400 seconds are deposited. I don't want all of your time. Can you devote at least 1% of your time? Can you devote 1%? 1% is 864 seconds, less than 15 minutes. 14.5 minutes, I can assure you, if you can deposit 14.5 minutes every day for reading the books of Swami Vivekananda, little bit of meditation and prayer, you will find total personality development. Now this is the lesson that you have to receive today. That's why we have called you in advance. Please read these books. That ठीक है, मंत्र देता हूँ, तो उसने क्या मंत्र दिया मालूम है? आगे बढ़ो, go forward. ये भी कोई मंत्र होता है? तो लकड़हारा तो समझ गया कि ये मंत्र में कोई दम नहीं है. थोड़े दिन बाद उसने सोचा क्या कहा था लकड़हारे ने, सोचा साधु बाबा ने क्या कहा था, आगे बढ़ो. अच्छा आगे बढ़े, देखो तो सही. आगे बढ़ के देखा, वो जो लकड़ी के जंगल में से लकड़ी काटा, आगे देखा तो चंदन के पेड़ थे. अरे वाह रे वाह, चंदन के पेड़ काटे. मालूम है चंदन के पेड़ की कीमत ज्यादा है, तो उसको और ज्यादा पैसा मिलने लगे, बहुत मालामाल हो गया, करोड़पति हो गया. एक दिन दोपहर को सो रहा था, एकदम सोने के पहले सोने का महल बना दिया. अरे साधु बाबा ने ये नहीं कहा था चंदन के पेड़ के जंगल तक जाना, उन्होंने कहा था आगे बढ़ो. आगे बढ़ के देखा चांदी की खान. अरे जब चांदी मिले तो कौन पेड़ काटने का कष्ट करे. चांदी निकालना शुरू किया और मालामाल हो गया. फिर कुछ दिन बाद सोचा अरे क्या कहा था, आगे बढ़ो. अरे फिर आगे बढ़ा, सोने की खान. अरे सोने का भाव तो जानते बहुत बढ़ गया, सोने का भाव गोल्ड का बहुत भाव. सोना निकालना शुरू किया, फिर वो और मालामाल बन गया. फिर सोचा नहीं, उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा सोने की खान तक जाना, आगे बढ़ो. हीरे बांटे. अब कोई पूछे इतने बड़े डायमंड, कोहिनूर टाइप के डायमंड्स मिल गए, अब सोने को भी छोड़ दिया. कहने का मतलब आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो. So we have to give you the message. Remember the message of Sri Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda. Go forward, go forward. और आगे बढ़ो, और आगे बढ़ो. टॉप 10 आगे गुजरात में, बड़ौदा में आगे बहुत अच्छा, गुजरात में आगे बहुत अच्छा, इंडिया में और आगे बढ़ो, और आगे बढ़ो. और सबसे बड़े आगे बढ़े जाने पर भी सोचना academic brilliance is not enough. Total personality development, a long way to go, and the final goal of life is to achieve. अंत में जीवन का उद्देश्य क्या है? कबीर ने क्या कहा? जब तू आया जगत में, जग हंसे तू रोए, ऐसी करनी कर चलो, मरते से तुम हंसो जग रोए। छोटा बच्चा पैदा होता है ना,